Got my first wig from JBExtensions. I'm so excited. I've been waiting and waiting and waiting. Just opened it out of the package. Came with a handy dandy brush, wig cap, and a wig grip. Here it is. I'm so excited. Let's see, which one did I get? I can't remember. Oh, Kai. Right. Kai with the snowflake lace. Here it is. Ta-da! Comes with the netting, the little package for the middle. It's kind of a mid-length. I like the colors lighter. Here's the snowflake lace. It's really transparent and the front is plucked, it looks like. So hopefully it'll look pretty realistic. The inside, it just has a small lace front. There is tiny bits of permatease right here. That's why it doesn't have a part in the center here. But from what I understand, the permatease is a lot better than it used to be. It used to have a lot, now it's just a little bit, and once I comb through it or brush through it, it will be hidden anyway. You can really see it kind of looks matted. I'm gonna take off the one I have, pop this sucker on. Here we go. Gonna have to fix the front here, but look at the lace. So you can see here, you can see little dots. I don't know if you can, but I can see the little dots here. I'll probably pull that back into my hairline-ish. So the lace goes down to about here. This is where the little ear tab is, which is a little higher than I'm used to in some of the other wigs that I've purchased. But it's fine. Fits well. I tightened it good. I do feel the permatease. Kind of feels like a little buzz cut. And open the brush. When you comb synthetic wigs, you use a wide tooth comb. Like this one that I have doesn't have any of those little nodules on the tip of the bristles. And so this is a brush. However, it is like a wide tooth comb and it doesn't have any nodules to pull on the wig. What I've seen them do is brush right here, and I don't have to hold it, like it's gonna stay on my head, but because I'm brushing to try and get through permatease, I want to hold it right here so it feels secure. It's a well-fitting cap. And I've also seen people push through that permatease, so the hair will sit on top of it and then you don't feel it. Voila! I don't feel it. Let me do the back here. Sounds like I'm ripping through it. It's only because the bristles are combing on the cap itself. I really like it though. I need to do something with this part. I don't know. It doesn't know where to part really. So I gotta figure out where I want it to part. But the fibers feel really nice. Blonde and brunette colors. I like the root being darker. What do you all think? I like it. I like it a lot. Low density, just one of the reasons why I got it, because I was afraid these, especially with these a little bit longer, it is medium length, but it's a little bit longer than when I had on when I first started the video, so it doesn't feel like a huge amount of hair. You can see the hairline, or lack thereof, I should say. It's awesome. All right, let me know in the comments what you think. I really like it.